Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I want to do a quick flip through of all my planners for March so that you can get an idea of how I've actually been using them. So there have been a few changes, so let me tell you the changes first. I was using the vertical lined layout for social media planning, and I've decided to start using the dashboard layout. So I'm using the Joann exclusive neutral dashboard layout that actually starts in June or July of this year, but I've redated. So all of my plan with me for like Thursdays, social media planning will be in this dashboard layout. And I've actually got it franken-planned with my dashboard layout catch-all planner. So this is the current setup that I'm using. So the one that you're going to see in this flip through, I've already taken the pieces out for March in my catch-all and franken-planned. So let me go ahead and start with my mini. I didn't actually start using the mini until, March 15th. So this was my first spread for March, or for any spread in my mini. And then this was the second. So I decorated for St. Patrick's Day with the pinks and the greens. I love this color combination. And then I used Wild Styled paired with the Simply Lovely florals for the 22nd through the 28th. So that was it in my mini for March. And now let's go to my catch-all. So I've been using, I can't remember the name of this planner. I want to say it was Farmhouse. I don't know. But it is a fairly neutral dashboard layout, except for the fact that there's colors up at the top. So I don't know if you really would call that neutral to begin with. It's not black and white, if I'll just say that. Okay, so I have March here. This was my March monthly. I used Live Love Posh's sticker book. I think it was the Spring Floral sticker book for that spread. And then this is the first week that I used, actually it was not the first week. I might as well go ahead and show you the February spread since I didn't do a February flip through either. So let's go ahead and do that. So I did start using this in February. I didn't really decorate my monthly. And so I actually started using this planner on February 8th, but I messed up and I accidentally decorated the wrong spread. So this was the 15th. So anyways, it was just a whole mess up. But I really liked this spread. This is Live Love Posh's sticker book, paired with some of the Womankind, I think it's called. So I used the pinks and the yellows. And then I used Sophisticated Florals from the Happy Planner for this spread. I love the way it turned out. There is a lot of foil on this spread though. Then I used another one of Live Love Posh's sticker books. This is her Spring Florals too, I think. And I paired that with, what is it called? This Is Your Year. Let's see if I can find it for you. I got too many sticker books now. It's not Modern Year. Year to Shine is what it's called. So Year to Shine. I use that for Year to Shine for that. So that was my February. Now let's get into March. So we've already seen, this was the first week in March, and I used pressed florals paired with some black and white stickers. It turned out super cute to use the black and the yellow. And then I used Color Me Happy with some of the colorful florals, black and white stickers, like the floral stickers, which I love all the colors with the black and white florals. And then I used, this is from the Flowers sticker book, paired it with some yellows from Womankind, and this blue came from Womankind. I think, it's called Empowering Woman, not Womankind. And then for the week of the 22nd, I used Jasmine. So I used this teal with yellows and purples and pinks from the pressed florals. So this spread turned out super pretty. And then I did, which I haven't even gotten here yet. This is my April currently. So I decorated it. If you haven't seen that, it is on my channel. I just haven't gotten a chance to use it yet. And so the rest of what's in here is the neutral dashboard layout that I haven't gotten to yet. layout. So I'm just kind of storing those pages in this planner. And then let's see, let's go to, this is the Colorful Leopard vertical line layout. And so I was using this for social media planning, and I tried really hard to make it work. So that's April. Let's go back to March. So this was my March monthly. And then I didn't actually start using this planner for social media planning until the 15th. And so this actually, I did not do a plan with me video. This was the first week that I tried this spread. And so I just used some of these gold foiled florals from Pressed Florals, and it turned out really cute. And then I think I did do a video on this. I used some of the Girl with Gold stickers here. These floral stickers are from Live Love Posh, I think. And then, so that was it for March. I didn't use this planner much in March. And then I have tried to use it in April, but I have, like I just said, I'm using the dashboard layout now. So I'll show those April spreads in my April planner flip through. This has quickly become one of my favorite planners to actually use and decorate. This is the Crystal Vibes horizontal layout. And so this is, I actually started using this for social media planning, and then decided to change it to use it as a journal. So the first week in March, I was using it for social media. I used some quotes from Empowering Woman, and I also paired it with some flowers from Colorful Florals 3, I think it is. Then I used the Colorful Leopard. This spread turned out super cute. And I used, this is some blue stickers from Indigo, paired with some of the OG flower stickers from the OG flower sticker book. I think it was called Fun Florals. So that spread turned out cute. And then this was the first week that I used it as a journal. So I used all these pretty fun colors here. I think this was in the, what's it called? Is it the Friendship or Stronger Together? I used the Stronger Together stickers here and just paired it with some pretty colorful flowers out of the that same OG Fun Floral sticker book. And then I'm still using it as a journal. So you'll see April's flip through when April's finished. All right, and so this is my Wellness Warrior planner, and I'll do a quick flip through on this. I don't really like a whole lot of this being on YouTube. So anyways, we're going to do a quick flip through. So you saw that I actually do use my wellness planner, and I actually tried to use the vertical layout for wellness planning and decided to just stick with the wellness layout. So all right, so that is a flip through of all of my planners except my budget one. Y'all don't need to see my budget planner because, you know, you just don't. So I don't decorate it. I don't do anything. It's just numbers. So anyways, that was a quick flip through of all my planners in March. I know things changed up, but I'm just kind of getting back into the swing of the happy planner thing and finding what works for me. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, you'll give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you would consider. And if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure to head over there and follow me on there. So I'll see y'all on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.